It was a bright and breezy Saturday morning when 5 friends, Lily, Mia, Ryan, Josh, and Alex, planned to meet at their favorite cafe, Brew and Bites. Cafe was a cozy little spot with wooden furniture, soft lighting, and the inviting aroma of freshly brewed coffee filling the air. It had become their go-to place for catching up and sharing stories. Lily arrived first, stepping inside and immediately spotting Mia sitting at their usual table by the window. Mia was already sipping a latte, her phone in hand as she scrolled through social media. "Hey, Mia. Am I the first one here?" Lily asked as she walked over. Mia looked up and smiled. "Nope, I've been here for about 10 minutes. Couldn't wait, so I ordered a latte. Want me to get you something?" Lily shook her head. "Thanks, but I'll grab a cappuccino myself." "Be right back." As Lily made her way to the counter, she bumped into Ryan and Josh, who had just arrived. "Hey, Lily. Long time no see." Ryan greeted her enthusiastically. Lily laughed. "Ryan, we saw each other 2 days ago at the library." Josh smirked. 2 days is a long time in Ryan's world. "What are you getting?" "Just a cappuccino," Lily replied. "What about you guys?" "I'm going for an iced Americano." "Need something strong today," Ryan said. "Hot chocolate for me," Josh added. "I don't know how you guys drink coffee all the time." With their drinks in hand, the 3 of them joined Mia at the table. "Where's Alex?" Mia asked as she set her phone aside. "He's usually the first one here." Josh shrugged. Knowing Alex, he's probably at the counter trying to decide which pastry to get. You know how serious he is about his snacks. As if on cue, Alex appeared, carrying a tray piled with a croissant, a blueberry muffin, and a large caramel latte. "Don't judge me," he said with a grin as he set the tray down. "I couldn't decide, so I got both." "Classic Alex," Ryan teased. "Always extra." Lily smirked. "Are you sharing, or is that all just for you?" Alex took a dramatic bite of his croissant and said, "If you're nice to me, I might let you have a bite." The group burst into laughter, and soon their table was filled with lively chatter. "So, what's everyone up to today?" Mia asked, sipping her latte. "I'm heading to the gym later," Ryan said. "Trying to stay consistent this year." Josh shook his head. "That's impressive. I'll probably just stay home and play video games. Much less effort involved." "I'm meeting my cousin in the afternoon," Lily chimed in. "She's visiting from out of town." Alex perked up. "Cool. Is she staying long?" "Just the weekend," Lily replied. "We're planning to check out that new art exhibit tomorrow." "That sounds fun," Mia said. "I've heard good things about it." Conversation shifted to their favorite TV shows, childhood stories, and their plans for the week. They laughed over Alex's obsession with food, Josh's video game adventures, and Ryan's exaggerated stories from the gym. After a while, Josh leaned back in his chair and sighed. "Does anyone else feel like time is flying? It feels like we were just celebrating New Year's, and now it's almost February." "True," Alex said. But I'm not complaining. The sooner winter's over, the better. I miss summer. Same here, Ryan added. We should plan a beach day when it gets warmer. I'm in, Mia said. But until then, let's make these cafe mornings a regular thing. Agreed, Lily said, smiling. This is the best way to catch up. The 5 friends spent another hour talking, laughing, and enjoying their drinks. By the time they left, the cafe felt a little emptier without their chatter, but their promise to meet again soon filled the air with anticipation. Moments like these, they all agreed, were what made life special.